Hello everyone, this is Bilal. In this video, I'll be showcasing you how to scrape Amazon website using Octoparse. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I will guide you on how we can scrape the main listings here and also their subsequent sub pages. So this will be like comprehensive Amazon scraping using Octopath. Now you can do this freely. So Octopath has a limit, but now before we start this tutorial, I wanted to let you know that I have been doing web scraping, AI automation, and data automation for the past 5 years and done over 500 plus projects worldwide. So if you want to work with me or want to hire me for any upcoming project, you can contact me on my email that is shown on your screen. So now let's get started with the tutorial. So first thing that you can see, I have chosen kitchen and dining category, but you can choose any category that you really want. After that, you can see it has generated a unique URL. So we will copy that and then go to our Octopus screen. So this is how the dashboard will look like, right? The next thing that you will do is you will click on new, click on custom task. Now you will paste in that URL and click on save. So that particular URL will open up here on the Octopus screen. So once that is done, the next thing that you will do is you will click on auto detect web page data. Now what this will do is basically it will automatically detect all of the listings, their layout, method, and everything for us. So once that is done, you can see it has generated many columns, and also here it is saying that do you want to add page scrolls. So I don't want to add page scrolls, I just want to do the pagination because in Amazon you can see the pagination is already there, so no need to do add page scrolls. The next thing that I will do, I will see and like choose only the columns that I don't need, so I will delete the rest of them. So I don't need all of these columns, so I'll just delete them. And also I just need the URL and then the title. So I'll just click on create workflow. So on your right side you can see the workflow has been generated. The next thing that I will do now, the main thing, is to go to the detail page and scrape all of the other things that are important to us. So for that you will click on select subpage URL and then click on confirm. So you can see a button has been created, and now we are going to the detail page, right? So once we are on the detail page, now we need the pricing and other things that we need. So for this, you can do many methods, but for this to accurately work, what I can suggest is you can build your own XPath. It is not that difficult. But if you have problem making XPath, you can let me know and I will make a dedicated video on XPath guidance. So I will make a video on XPath. So to pinpoint perfectly is you will right click here on the browser Chrome or any browser you are using and click on inspect. So from here you can see if I click here and choose this, so you can see we got the pricing information here. So if we are seeing that it's in a spend tag and this is the price to pay. So double click on that, we'll get this, and this is a spend tag. Now I will let you know how we can build that XPath here. So it's very easy, don't worry about that. You don't need to learn very much about XPath, just need to know these few basic tricks. So you will click on extract data button, please, plus an extract data button. The next thing you will do is add custom field and capture data on the page. Now as you remember that the price was in the span tag, so I will do double front slashes, and then I'll just do span and then bracket, left bracket 8, and then I'll paste what I copied, and then I'll close the bracket. You can see we have got the price here, so I'll name this column as price, right? So you can see this is important. We have got the accurate pricing now. Even if I go to other pages, it will automatically scrap accurately that pricing. So that is why I have chosen this accurate XPath method. So the next thing we need is we need the image URL, right? So we will again click here, we will get the image. So we will go and see where the image is actually located. So here we can see data image, landing image. So we'll copy that one and it's also an image tag. So we'll go back to our Octoparse screen again, and now we'll do again add custom field, capture data on the page, do two front slashes, and image tag as it was in the image tag, and then we will do these brackets, put a at symbol, and then the tag that we copied, and then close it out. Now what this will do is it will get us the main image URL. You click on confirm. Now you can see nothing is showing up, so don't worry. What you need to do is right click here, go to customize field, and then instead of select text we need to choose select image URL. Now you can see we are getting the full main page image, right? Now I will also show you later videos how to scrape all of these using custom accurate XPath. But for this video I'm choosing it I'm keeping it basic. So this is all that I need. So I will just click on extract data one again, go to options, wait before action to at least 2 seconds, and then click on apply and then save. Now I will just simply run the bot, click on run, and then click on standard mode. Now this will pull up a new tab that will start scrapping for us. Now I will fast forward this and I will show you guys the end results, okay? So I have stopped the bot at 13 listings, but I can go as far as to scrap all of the listings. And if you like this video and if you want to know more about XPath, you can let me know down in the comment section. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.